Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Devjit and today I'm going to review a mop robot called the Dreame Bot D9 Max from the company MI, which is owned by Xiaomi. So without further ado, let's get straight to the video. So the robot, what's so special about it? Well, its high-tech automatic cleaning methods make it much more easier to get the dust out of your houses.
We have been using this robot from the past 1 year, so we decided to make a video of it.
Now let's look closer at the robot. This is the robot. This is the LiDAR navigation which helps it navigate through our homes. This is the power button which helps us on and off the robot. And this is the home button which helps the robot go back to its charging dock. This also can be done within the app, which I'll show you in just a bit. And to lessen the impact when the robot hits object, there's a bumper at the front. Now let us look at the back of the robot. Here is the back of the robot. At the front, you can see a guide wheel and two metal squares for the charging. There is a 3-pronged brush to clean those hard-reach corners. There are also two robust wheels to get on carpets. And there is also a vacuum here with a brush to clean dust and hairs such as pet hairs. There's also a water tank for the mop, which I'll show you how to put in right now. To fix the mop, simply take out the water tank.
The water tank has been removed.
And you can hear a notification. And then simply just fill the water tank with water. After you fill it with water, simply clip it back in and then fix the mop. Before you put the mop, drench it with water. After you put the mop, stick it over here and then put it back in.
The water compartment has been installed.
Like this.
Now let me tell you some pros and cons. One thing I like about this robot vacuum is that we can set it to clean anytime we want. We can also set it to clean the house before we wake up, so the house will look very clean after you wake up. Even if you are outside, you can set the cleanup to start. If the battery of the robot is low while cleanup is going on, it will notify you and automatically go back to its charging dock. After it finishes getting charged, it will come back and start cleaning from where it stopped. You can also adjust the suction power and the water flow in the robot using the app. And you can set the robot to clean only a specific place or room in your house for it to clean, and it won't clean anywhere else. It can also go below small spaces such as small tables, and it will look neat and tidy there too. Now here are the cons. Although you can set the robot to clean up before you wake up, you still will have to arrange everything before you go to bed, so there wouldn't be anything blocking the robot from cleaning a place. Houses with kids will have to arrange everything such as toys and other stuff, so there are no interferences while the cleaning is going on. Sometimes it might not be able to fully clean some corners while it is cleaning. The robot is not recommended for people with obstacles in front of doors, such as in old houses. In some couches, if the gap below it is too small, then it might not be able to clean below that couch. This robot is highly recommended for 1 or 2 people living in the house because all the things might be already arranged, so you can on the robot anytime you want. For people with kids in the house, most of the time the toys will be scattered around here and there, so you will have to arrange everything before turning on the robot for cleaning. As you guys heard the notification, it has finished the cleanup process. Now it's going back to its charging dock. As you can see, after the cleanup process, the robot has cleaned all the dust from our house and collected it in this dustbin. We can throw away the dust from here.
Hope you guys liked this video. If you did, smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel, and I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.